What if I told you there's one simple exercise that can transform your entire body without machines, fancy equipment, or hours in the gym? In this video, I'll show you how doing daily farmer walks can completely change your life and your physique. The farmer's walk doesn't just work your muscles, it awakens them. From sculpted legs and a rock-solid core to powerful shoulders and an unbreakable grip, this single move trains your entire body to perform better in everything you do. But here's the part most people don't know. Farmer walks also improve your posture, balance, and focus while melting away stress. No fancy equipment, no gimmicks, just raw, functional strength that carries over into real life. Stick with me till the end, because I'll show you exactly how to perform the farmer walk correctly to unlock its full potential and avoid the common mistakes that hold most people back. Let's dive in. Safety and study. Comparison. Here's something really interesting. One of the best things about farmer walks is how safe they are. Unlike heavy lifts such as deadlifts, farmer walks put much less pressure on your lower back and joints. You're building strength without putting your body at unnecessary risk. In fact, a study comparing farmer walks and deadlifts found that farmer walks allow you to stay more upright, move more naturally, and still produce massive strength and power output. Simply put, farmer walks give you the same strength benefits as a deadlift, but with far less strain on your spine. It's a smarter, safer way to build full body power, especially for people training at home or looking to stay injury-free while getting stronger. Why farmer walks are a game changer. You might think walking with weights only works your abs, but the truth is, farmer walks train your entire body and help you build real, functional strength that carries into everyday life. This move isn't just for athletes or strongman competitors. It's for anyone who wants to become stronger, fitter, and more capable. Whether you're a beginner, a busy professional, or someone trying to regain lost strength, farmer walks fit perfectly into your routine. Research shows that doing this exercise consistently can help you build muscle and strength at the same time, naturally boost testosterone levels, improve coordination, posture, and total body balance. In short, it's a single movement that helps you gain both size and strength, the best of both worlds, with results you can feel in your daily life. Full body benefits. Let's take a closer look at how this one simple exercise works your entire body. Lower body. It strengthens your thighs, hamstrings, calves, and glutes, helping you run faster, climb stairs with ease, and build solid, powerful legs that feel strong and steady. Core. It tightens the muscles around your stomach and lower back, helping you stand taller, reduce back pain, and develop better posture over time. Upper body. It builds your shoulders, traps, and upper back, giving you a stronger frame for everyday tasks like lifting groceries, carrying your kids, or even maintaining a confident, upright posture at work. Grip and forearms. Farmer walks are unmatched when it comes to grip and forearm strength. The longer you hold those weights, the more your forearms grow and harden, giving you better control, endurance, and reduced risk of injury. This is one of those rare exercises where the benefits never stop. The more consistent you are, the more your entire body transforms. Functional fitness benefits. Farmer walks are all about real-world strength, the kind of strength that actually helps you move, lift, and perform better outside the gym. Every step challenges your coordination and balance, forcing your core and stabilizers to engage. Over time, you'll notice better control over your body, whether you're playing sports, working a physical job, or just living an active life. With regular practice, you'll also improve stability through your legs and midsection, reducing the risk of falls or injuries. Plus, since this is a weight-bearing exercise, it strengthens your bones, something that becomes more important as we age. Simply put, farmer walks make your body useful, not just aesthetic. You'll move smoother, feel stronger, and gain confidence in every step. Mental benefits and psychology. The power of the farmer walks doesn't stop at your muscles. They also train your mind. A recent study found that participants who performed farmer walks felt more energetic, experienced improved moods, and even reduced symptoms of anxiety. When you lift, carry, and walk with focus, your body releases endorphins, your natural, feel-good hormones. That means this simple exercise doesn't just build your body, it helps you clear your mind, relieve stress, and develop mental toughness. Each step becomes a reminder that you can carry more than just weights. You can carry yourself through challenges, pressure, and stress in life. Farmer walks truly make you stronger inside and out. How to do a farmer's walk. step by step. Start by building a strong foundation. Tighten your core as if you're protecting your spine. Stand tall with your shoulders back, chest up, and head in a neutral position. Next, grab your weights with a firm but steady grip, keeping your forearms tight. As you begin walking, move slowly and with control, stepping heel to toe while keeping your posture upright and your breathing steady. Avoid swinging the weights or rushing your steps. It's about control, not speed. Keep your shoulders stable and core tight throughout. Remember, good form isn't optional. It's what makes this exercise so powerful and safe. Variations to try. Once you've mastered the basic farmer walk, you can try different variations to keep things challenging and fun. The classic farmer walk involves holding a weight in each hand by your sides, simple and effective. The offset carry challenges your balance and core by holding one weight overhead and one by your side. Want to hit your legs harder? Try walking lunges with weights for a deeper lower body burn. And for improving coordination and focus, the reverse farmer walk, walking backward with weights, is an amazing addition. Each version targets your muscles a little differently, keeping your workouts engaging and helping you grow from every angle. Progression tips. Start light and short. Focus on perfect form first. Even 20 to 30 seconds of walking can be powerful in the beginning. As your grip and endurance improve, gradually increase the distance or the weight. Keep track of your progress. Note how far you can walk, how heavy you can go, and how long you can last without losing form. Over time, you'll be amazed at how much stronger and more confident you've become. And don't forget to celebrate every small milestone. Every step forward literally makes you stronger. Real-life benefits. Why you should start today. The farmer walk might look simple, but it translates into real-life benefits that go far beyond the gym. Imagine carrying your groceries effortlessly, lifting heavy luggage without strain, or standing taller and walking with confidence. That's the power of functional strength. This exercise builds not just muscle, it builds capability. You start feeling more confident in your body, more capable in your movements, and more in control of your daily life. Whether you are a student, a parent, or a busy professional, the farmer walk makes you fit for life, strong, stable, and focused. Final words. Farmer walks aren't just another exercise, they're a complete lifestyle upgrade. With one simple movement, you can build muscle, protect your back, sharpen your mind, and boost your confidence all at once. This exercise strengthens both your body and mind, helping you move better, think clear, and feel unstoppable every single day. So, if you're ready to take your results to the next level, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips, smart training routines, and powerful exercises that transform not just your body, but your entire mindset.